Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair connect your MacBook Air to your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start pairing their MacBook Air to their Samsung Smart TV. Maybe you want to show what's on your screen or share some videos or share some photos. How do you actually pair your MacBook Air to your Samsung Smart TV? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what we're going to do is that we're going to grab our remote and click on the home icon and then navigate to where it says settings. So click on settings. Next on this page, you want to scroll down to where it says general, and then you want to scroll down to where it says Apple AirPlay settings. So from this page here, you're basically going to turn on Apple AirPlay. So it's this button right over here. So make sure that this is turned on. Next, hop onto your MacBook Air. And then on your MacBook Air, you want to click on System Settings. So System Settings is this icon right over here. And then once you click on System Settings, you want to navigate to the Control Center. And then under the Control Center, you want to go to Screen Mirroring and change this to Always Show in Menu Bar. So what this does is that it automatically shows the mirroring icon right over here. So click on it and then find your Samsung Smart TV, which is this icon right here for me. So once you do that, give it a couple seconds and you've now gone ahead and paired or connected your MacBook Air to your Samsung Smart TV. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.